Welcome back to our channel. Today we will talk about Dr. Death Season 3. Season 2 of Dr. Death, the Peacock drama series which dramatizes real accounts of gross medical malpractice, tells the story of medical fraudster Dr. Paolo Macchiarini, Edgar Ramirez, and the news producer Benita Alexander, Mandy Moore, who was drawn into his web of lies before eventually helping to expose him. The season debuted on streaming on December 21st, and has received positive reviews, as did the first season of the show, which starred Joshua Jackson as the now infamous Dr. Christopher Dunsch, marrying viewer appetite for gritty true crime with sensational drama. Has Dr. Death been renewed for Season 3? Not yet. Season 2 of the show has only recently been released on Peacock's streaming platform, and viewing figures usually factor into a network's decision to greenlight additional seasons of a show, and so it could be some time yet before we hear if Dr. Death will be returning. What might Dr. Death Season 3 be about? Dr. Death is based on Wondery's true crime podcast of the same name, which to date has 3 seasons. Season 1 of the podcast focused on Dr. Christopher Dunsch, the American neurosurgeon who was responsible for multiple patient deaths and irreversible injuries due to malpractice, and was adapted into Season 1 of the drama. The podcast's 3rd season told the story of Paolo Macchiarini and Benita Alexander, which formed the basis of Season 2 of the TV series. If a 3rd season of Dr. Death is commissioned on Peacock, it is likely that it will draw on Season 2 of the podcast for inspiration. Season 2 followed the story of Lebanese hematologist and oncologist Farid Fatah, who prescribed chemotherapy to patients who did not need it, and was found guilty on several counts of medical fraud. In anticipation of the release of the 2nd season on Peacock, many have been curious about the Dr. Death Season 3 release date. Based on the namesake podcast produced by Wondery, Dr. Death is a true crime drama anthology series. Season 1, released on July 15, 2021, focuses on the Texas neurosurgeon Christopher Dunsch, and Season 2, which premieres on December 21, 2023, is slated to be about the Swiss-born Italian thoracic surgeon and regenerative medicine researcher Paolo Macchiarini. Is there a Dr. Death Season 3 release date? As of December 2023, Dr. Death hasn't been greenlit for the 3rd season. This is expected as the 2nd season hasn't come out yet, and Peacock will likely assess the audience's response to it before making any decision. As mentioned above, the series is based on the namesake podcast, which currently has 3 seasons. Season 1 is about Dunsch, Season 2 revolves around Lebanese-born hematologist and oncologist Farid Fatah, and Season 3 focuses on Macchiarini. So, a prospective Season 3 of the Peacock show can be about Fatah, whom it seems to have skipped. Alternatively, if there are more seasons of the podcast, the TV show's 3rd season can focus on one of their subjects. Where is Dr. Death Season 3 coming out? Dr. Death Season 3 could come out on Peacock. This is because the previous 2 seasons were released on the same platform. Coming soon will provide an update if and when Season 3 is officially greenlit. Well, this is it for today. Thank you for watching the video till end. Please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.